Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to tell you guys, can you add a collaborator on Instagram after posting? The answer is no. Unlike tagging, you can only add collaborators to your Instagram post before publishing. If you forget, you'll have to delete the post and republish it, this time with your collaborator added. So make sure you double check your work before you hit publish. But what you can do is tag people. In order to tag people, what you can do is simply open the Instagram application, and at the bottom right you can see your profile icon. Simply tap on that. Now go to the post that you want to add people. Simply tap on the post that you want, and now what you have to do is simply tap on this tag people option that is at the left. Simply tap on this tag people option. Now simply select the area that you want the tag. Now all you have to do is search for the user, right? Search for the user. Now search for the user, tap on it, and it will be tagged. At the top right corner of the screen there is a tick option. Simply tap on tick and the tick again at the top right. Wait for a while and the person will be tagged in your post. So there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Comment down your thoughts, and until then, goodbye.